大家好，我是吴彦祖。我除了是一位演员之外，大家可能不知道，在演戏之前，我曾经是一名建筑系的学生。Great design to me is all about seamlessly integrating beauty with function. It's about harmony and aesthetics. So for the style of my home, I infused architectural insights into every corner, every nook and cranny, even for the bathroom. I wanted it to be a space that blends functionality with exquisite design. The one thing that fits effortlessly into my world of design and innovation is my Veil Smart Toilet by KOHLER. What gets me excited about the Veil? It's not just about its features, it's about how it elegantly blends into the space, like a piece of art. The Veil Smart Toilet is a testament to KOHLER's design principle. From a practical standpoint, it's a flawless piece of industrial design. I mean, look at it. The modern design, clean lines. The Veil isn't just a smart toilet, it's an architectural statement. As an architect and design enthusiast, I see the power of well-designed spaces. When form meets function, it can be transformative. And the Veil Smart Toilet is a pristine example. The Veil Smart Toilet is more than just a pursuit of elegance and purity. It's a testament to the transformative impact of design in our daily routine and the extraordinary influence it has on our lives.